Hey, how's it going, you guys? Make another video. I went to get my older Jeep smogged. This is an '05 TJ. Literally, as soon as it pulled into the smog place, it threw error code. Don't remember what it is off the top of my head. I looked it up, and it's the camshaft positioning sensor. This is a really easy replacement. It's kind of odd because I just replaced my oil pump not that long ago, and I replaced the sensor at the same time. This is the passenger side of the vehicle. Basically just come over, look right here, and this is your camshaft positioning sensor. It's one 8mm bolt, so you just need to remove that. This thing, it'll slide right out. And then over here, just like any standard Jeep clips, just in case you haven't done them before, what you do is on this side, the part that's actually protruding up away from it, use a flathead to slide this back. It's not going to slide all the way out, but it will come out a good, quarter of an inch most likely. And then once you do that, just depress this and the socket will slide right out. This is a really quick video. I'm probably not going to show you the aftermath. I'm just going to go ahead and leave you guys with that knowledge. Hopefully this helps someone out. In case you hadn't noticed, all of my videos are now in 4K. As always, please like and subscribe. Really appreciate it, guys. Awesome. Thank you. Bye. All right, you guys, really quick follow-up. When you go to remove this, it's going to be extremely tight. Don't panic. Just keep kind of rocking it back and forth and work it out. When you put it back in, it'll also be very tight. Don't freak out. Just make sure you slowly spin it in and keep everything nice and level. On this side, the plug doesn't look like it goes in far enough, but it does. Once this red snap is capable of going back in, you've engaged it far enough. I'm gonna go ahead and run it, make sure everything's cool. If I have any other follow-up, I'll go ahead and add it to the video, but at this point I think we're gonna be golden.